What's up, Resolution family? On this occasion we have another video. We have a little problem with this charger for this Streamlight. If you can, as you can see right here, I have to kind of wiggle the cable in order for the LED light, the red light, to stay on. So I'm gonna show you guys how to repair this little issue. We're gonna basically open this charger because it seems like the problem could be in the connections. Right here I'm just using a little flathead screwdriver and I'm gonna have to pry it open. Do you hear that? Sounds like something is loose inside, so we're gonna go ahead and open it and find out what's going on. I noticed that the easiest way to do it is pry in between where the wire goes in. So that's what I did here. Here you have to take it out slowly. Be careful with these wires. These are connected to, these are soldered to the connection that plugs into the wall. So you're gonna have to push the connection. Right here I see what was making that sound. There's some plastic pieces here. Just be careful with this plug. Try to push it out, because if not you're gonna damage the connections. I'm gonna hit it with a little screwdriver, a piece of metal, anything that can push it out. Right here you have to be very patient because it has two small wires. And right now I'm just doing a quick little inspection, just check everything out. I'm looking for any damage. If I see any damage or any connections that might have a false contact. Visually I can't see anything wrong with it.
Yep.
So I'm gonna go ahead and use like a little blade, and I'm gonna try to cut right here in between these little plastic or rubber, to see if I can see anything visual. So here I tried for a little while, try to cut it in between or in the middle. I gave up at the end. I just cut the two wires, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect these two ends together, and I'm gonna give it a try. To me it seems like the issue was in between the plastic rubber, so I end up connecting the two wires with these little plugs, and I'm gonna give it a try. Right here I'm just gonna organize this stuff so I can put the cover back on. And before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and make a nut on the wire, so when if the charger falls by itself or by accident, the connections don't come undone. So this is gonna prevent from the wires to come out of the charger. You'll see right now. I'm just making a little nut, and that nut is gonna stay inside the box. So just make sure it stays inside the box, and now we can go ahead and put the other part of the cover. And to secure this, I'm just gonna go ahead and use electrical tape, just in case we need to open it again.
See?
But I feel like this is gonna fix the issue,
What?
so let me show you guys once we finish this process. So I'm all set. I'm gonna go ahead and plug the charger, and I'm gonna show you guys, see if this procedure work. Let's see. Alright, so we can see right here the LED light came on without any issues. I don't have to wiggle the cable anymore. And I go ahead and try my battery on, and they both working. So for sure the issue was in the rubber piece right in between the box, or the charging box. Alright, so this is the piece that I eliminated. It looks like the issue was in the inside of this. So if you guys like this video, guys, please leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.